Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. Today, we're hitting episode 47 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Now, previously, we finished Barcelona. So today, we're going to be figuring out where we're going to be hitting next and getting that race on. Anyway, let's go ahead and dive right in. Let's go ahead, hop right in here to episode 47 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Now, as I start to swap things from PlayStation from PC to PlayStation, waiting on it. There it is. Let's go ahead and get it going. Literally, I'm just hopping on for the first time to record this video. Anyway, we are running our great Type R. Good. Oh, tighter than I thought it was. It's normal though. Now, waiting. Head over to Europe, Middle East. Now, we just got done with Circuit Barcelona, Catalunya. Once again, hopefully I'm saying all of that correct. Now we're going to go over to Circuit de Spa-Francorchamps. We're just going to call this Spa. So we're at Spa. We've got the full course layout, or the full course and 24-hour layout. They look the same to me. They're the same distance. Well, we're going to be doing full course first. I don't want to do it in the rain. Actually, you know what? Why not? Let's do it in the rain. We're not going for fast lap. We're just going for placing first. Yes, I know I've got dirt tires. Also, I meant to turn that light off on that camera. Well, let's go all the way back. You know, since we're going in the rain, let's swap to... Let's do some medium, not medium, but not the full wets. Where are they at? Do I even have them? Intermediates. Okay, let's buy some intermediates. Gosh darn. This is all my fault. Then buy every possible tire I needed for every possible combination. Let's just go ahead and get both. Because I'm sure I'll try it and I'll need them. Okay, now let's put on the intermediates. My goodness. This is what I'm talking about. Hope these are good enough. I have no idea what to expect when it says wet or rain, or how much rain. Okay, let's go back to Spa and hop into full course and daytime. Here we go. Took us a whole, basically 3 minutes to get this done. 3 laps. Not too hard. We can be a little too soft. Oh, it would probably been better to be on wets. Oh my goodness. Well, here we go. Right on top of the other Type R. Bye-bye, buddy. Bye-bye, Essie. Well, I guess they call it LE, but it's... Yeah, these tires ain't gripping. There's too much water on the road. Should have went for a heavy wet. Oh, well. We're going to run intermediates at Spa. Oh, this will be fun. Crash right into the next thing. Next car. Okay, not awful. As he rams into my side here. Thanks, Mitsubishi. Take it the outside. Oh, off the road we go. Off the track. sure that Mitsubishi has all-wheel drive too. I actually have no idea. No, come on. Take the outside. Let's go. Okay, not awful. We're getting in track position at least. Getting a few spots. Better than losing them. Also, shout out, let's get Gran Turismo to add a Porsche 944. I'm trying to remember every single time. We need them to add it. Eventually it'll happen. There we go. Now we're in P9. Oh. There goes that. One lap in and we're at P9. 3-minute lap. Oof. Let's keep going. Yeah, literally this isn't any different than the 24-hour layout from what I know. I could be wrong. We'll see when we race it. Did better on that split. Pass the GTR. Come on, Civic. We got a higher top speed than you. So we're about to brake. And brake. Oh! Thank you. That was nice of you. Well, why thank you, Civic, for whipping my rear end around. Come on. Let's get our positions back. Let me turn this view on so I can watch them. I know I'm squealing the crap out of some tires right now. Okay. Go. Well, there goes the Viper. Oh, he spun himself off track. I don't think that was my fault. We're going to catch up. I'm definitely passing you, GTR. You don't have a chance. Love you. You look great. Don't have a chance. Okay, I'm not taking too kindly to the Civic here. It wasn't very nice. Oh, which one was it? I think it was this one. Yeah. Off the track you go, buddy. Bye-bye. That's what you get. I wasn't even as mean as I thought I was going to be. That's kind of pitiful. I did want to like hole pit him. Now if he tries coming at me again, you know what? Just because we didn't get him good, we're going to at least try and get his buddy. We're going for P6. And we're going to take it. Top speed, here we come, baby. Well, there you go. Bye-bye. Off the track he goes. Okay, we don't have to do that to anybody else on the race. Nobody else deserves it. My goodness. We're still massive seconds behind P1. Now the accident didn't help. I know that. Come on, gonna keep hunting them down. We're doing okay. Maybe admittance was a good choice. I mean, it's not like our tire's gonna wear. So wets might be fine. Heavy wets, I should say. Right behind the Merc. No? Yeah, Merc. Oh. Come on, this is it. We gotta take the Vet and the Ferrari. Come on. On the outside. Taking on the Ferrari. Bam. Got him. And this is also the first time I'm driving the Type R at Spa. Now, I've driven Spa a few times. This is actually quite entertaining. So we're going to finish at Spa while it's raining, P3 with an accident. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Love it. That's awesome. Simply amazing, I guess. That was nice. Sweet. Now, if I remember, and not forget, like I do a lot of times, I'm going to try and catch that clip where he got me. We'll see. Anyway, I want to say thank y'all again for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Racing Every Single Track and Every Single Car. Is that a Gran Turismo 7? I will see y'all in the next one.